Yo, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Woo! Today is a very exciting day because we get to work on the Silvia again, and it has been a while, hasn't it, Nathan?
It has been a while, and this is one of the most exciting parts because we're doing something that we've never done before. We are going to be respraying a whole car, and to do that we need a paint booth. So we've decided we're going to make our own paint booth. And how are we going to do that, JD?
Nathan, we are going to be taking off that fence that's right behind us, and we're going to be taking the Silvia around the back of my house, and we're going to be using the backyard and set up a nice little station over there. So let's get into it, man.
I have no idea if this is gonna fit.
I don't know. We're gonna have to make
find
it
out.
work.
We have not measured anything. Let's do it.
There is some construction happening, so we're sorry about that noise. The first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this.
Hey, buddy.
Cool dog.
This is Maya.
We're gonna take her out back, so she doesn't run away and like cause a ruckus. Maya. Hey, go. Do you guys want to see something cool? Check this out. Hey, Maya. Maya. Nah. Maya. Up you go. Maya. Go. Hey. Sit. I want you to sit, Maya. Maya. Sit. Sit. Good girl. From the other side. From the other side. There we go. Good girl. Good girl.
Man and his dog.
Go. Doesn't wanna. Hey. Come here. Now.
Now that we've finished herding the cattle, we can start with the Silvia.
Unreal, Nathan, if you ask me, unreal. And this is what we're dealing with. We have to get the Silvia through this gap here. We're gonna open up that fence and we're gonna drive it in and hopefully miss this sharp corner and park it right there, Nathan. That's the plan anyway. Let's get into it.
Dude, this is so narrow. What the heck? Like, this is so narrow. Do you reckon it'll fit? Like, honestly? My gosh, we are so close. Okay, keep coming back.
I'm catching up something in the front.
Are you? Yeah. I'll have a look. The car literally only just fits. It is so tight. The only thing that is letting us down is the fact that these wheels are a little bit wider than the car that are on it. So we're gonna swap the wheels out and give it another go. But literally, you can see on this side, there's only that much space. And then when you get to the wing mirrors, it's like literally scraping the wing mirrors. And then on this side, look at that. We are literally so close. JD, once we paint this car, we're gonna have to pull that fence out to get it through.
I don't mind doing that.
We're gonna have to.
Should we just pull the fence or pull the wheels?
In the end, we had a look at the fence and we realized it's super easy to just take the fence out, and it'll give us way more room by doing that than taking the wheels off. All we need to do is just a few flathead screws. So we're gonna take this side off and we're gonna do the same on the other side. We probably don't need to do the other side, but just makes it a bit easier. Just gonna take those flathead screws off and then the car should come straight through. JD.
Hey man.
We're literally pulling your property apart to get your car in the backyard.
Things we do, Nathan. Things we do. Let's go.
One side is out. We're gonna see if we can get away with just that one side because that side is real rusty. The screws are just stuck in there. So, well done, bro. Let's do it. Okay, round two. Round two. We've decided to try driving straight in because this corner is really hard to maneuver, so JD's gonna give it another crack driving straight in. The good thing though is that now we have plenty of room to get the car, well, plenty of room. We got like maybe 10 mil on each side if we're lucky, but we've got room to get the car up here, which is a bonus. In fact, it's not a bonus at all, it's just what needs to happen. We did it! We did it!
Alright, so the car's in the back of the yard and we're just gonna go grab some lunch and go for a bit of a drive. It's actually just the most amazing day. We're so excited to, get our stomachs full of food and then get back into it. So ready, let's go. Nathan loves the D36. Look at all these kids in school, Nathan. Look at all of them.
It's not even a school day, Jamie.
Bro, they're not meant to know that.
It's a public holiday.
They don't know what day we're filming this, Nathan. It's a public holiday and no one is around, Nathan. This place is an absolute ghost town. There is no one. Okay, there's one person. There's one person right there.
One person. Just one. That's all.
We got food on the way. We just ordered it and well, now we're gonna get some coffee, Nathan.
You like this vlogging thing, don't you?
We're gonna get some coffee. Let's go. Alright, so we got coffee, Nathan, for $2.50. Mind blown. I'll prove it to you. Check this out. The question is, and more. What does that mean? Here we go. We're so ready. We're so ready. Let's do this.
Thank you.
It's really hot. Thanks,
Going
Coffix.
the wrong way. We're fully walking the wrong way.
Coffix for the win.
Coffix. Pizza's this way.
We're so excited about our coffee. We're going the wrong way, Nathan. We're ready to go back. Let's go. Back at my place, and well, I went for the pepperoni, and Nathan.
Hawaiian with peri peri sauce.
What is going on?
We just had lunch and it was so good. Peri peri sauce on Hawaiian pizza, gotta try it. Anyway, now we're gonna set up a marquee that's gonna cover the car and protect us from the sun and everything as we're taking bits out of the car and getting it ready for paint. The car is successfully in the paint booth.
Bam. The Silvia is in the paint booth and well, we're gonna start stripping it. We're gonna take off the front bumper, we're gonna take off the front fender, and that means we're gonna need some tools. So let's go.
JD just did a risky move. He let Maya the dog out. So now we've got a big black Labrador running free. Hey buddy, hey. It's impossible! that is one rusty bash bar. My gosh. We're gonna be just spraying some lubricant on the rusty bolts before cracking them, because we've already broken 3 out of 4 on that bash bar. We're gonna try and pull as much of this apart as possible, and then what we'll do once we've got some rust neutralizer and some paint, we'll wire wheel these back, spray some rust neutralizer on them, paint them, make them look black, make them look beautiful again, and then we'll move on.
Nathan, you look really good with your sunglasses on.
Thanks, man.
Shades on!
Shades on. It's summertime.
And there it is, we finally got the Sylvia in the back of my yard. I didn't think it was gonna work, Nathan didn't think it was gonna work, no one thought it would work, but it worked.
It worked, we
Really
got it
exciting.
in. There's a very narrow alleyway, we did scrape a couple of panels, I admit that, but we got it in. JD had some good driving, and it's now in a tent.
Absolutely.
So,
and some people say the road to success is quite narrow, so
that's inspirational, JD. We're calling this a paint booth, but technically we're not going to be doing any paint in this booth. The reason why we've put it up is pretty much to protect us from the sun so we don't get too hot and everything, and it's just a more comfortable working environment.
Yep.
But what we want to do is actually continue stripping the car and then start sanding the car. When the car has been finished sanding, we're going to remove the tent and start spraying on the primer and then the paint. We're going to wait for a nice hot sunny day to do this, so it means that there's less chance of any primer or paint running on the car, and hopefully we'll get a nicer finish.
hopefully we'll get this all done by summertime. It's going to be so exciting. We've never done this before, Nathan. We have never painted a car. We have never tackled a job like this before. So we are very excited to see how it's going to turn out. And I'm just excited to have my Sylvia a different color.
Yeah, hard out. We still haven't 100% decided on a color, so please chuck in the comments what you want to see the Sylvia being. And other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. There is plenty more going to be happening on this car and also my E30. So stay tuned. Hit that sub button on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out. Okay. What a beautiful man.
Here we go, Nathan. We're about to get into it.